Amphibie crochet. I'm obsessed with crochet bags, and these are the tote bag variety you can use to to either use as a handbag that has a lot of storage, or to use for grocery shopping and stuff like that. Simple pattern, but very effective and minimalistic cute. This is a bit more elaborate, nice big tote with flowers or leaf patterns on there. Beautiful. And cool button to close the thing. And this is a more complicated one that has a bag inside, otherwise everything would fall through the cracks of the flowers. But the flowers are very colorful and nice, and this is a beautiful bag to use for grocery shopping. Cool. So it's very nice. Little backpack. Very tight crochet knit type of Frisian knitting it's called. Let's see if I have another photo of this. Yeah, this is the back with the straps. So it's nice to be able to crochet your own little backpack, isn't it? This is a handbag with the granny square. How cool is this? It's so retro. It's so vintage. It's so cool. Look how big it is. I'm gonna see if I can find these links to finding those handles, but you can also use like old handles or handles from old bags that you find at the thrift store, or you don't have to spend a lot of money in creating these things. But if you do want like the same kind of wooden handles, I'm gonna try to fix you up below. Now here's a very sleek looking bag. I love the little tassel on it, and it has leather straps. So, oh, how cute is this little bag hanger keychain? Beautiful. It's very nice. This is a fun one. Lots of color, lots of flowers. Again, it has a bag inside the bag, which prevents stuff falling out. But it's something that really catches people's eye. This is really cool. So look at that. How cool is this? So cool. I like this one. It's very simple. Has a drawstring close. It fits a lot of stuff. You can use this as a gym bag, or just as a tote carrying stuff around. Different color scheme. Very nice. Cool crochet bag again with the vintage retro look. Another shot. I like this one too. It's a shoulder bag with lots of colors and a cool pattern. Do we have a close-up of the pattern? Yes, we do. So it's a hexagon. You can crochet these hexagons and then sew them together to get this cool bag. Again with leather type straps, which is a little better than having crocheted or wool straps, because they tend to stretch out quite a bit unless you crochet them a certain way. But I like the combination of materials as well. Makes for very cool. So that's it for these kinds of bags. I will keep searching for more bags because it is my obsession. And for now, I wish you happy crocheting.